welcome back. My face mask club is here. I do love this subscription box. But before we dive into this box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, put the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Like I said, face mask club. I do love a sheet mask. If you're unfamiliar with this box, the face mask club is a sheet mask subscription service. You can either get a 5 mask monthly box or a 7 mask monthly box. It's not going too well, is it? You can get one-off boxes if you just wanted to sample the service, or you can get kind of like the 5 and the 7 as monthly boxes. I get a 7 mask subscription and I absolutely love it and highly recommend it. Korean beauty, absolutely fabulous. And there's really sort of, I'd say 1 or 2 masks I've come across that just haven't really worked for me, which is good. I think I've been using the Face Mask Club now for about 6 months, I think. And like I said, absolutely love them. They come well presented in this new style box. This is the second one I've had of these. Absolutely lovely. I will put the details down below on how much I pay, and I will pop a link through to their website for you. And here it says self-care is not selfish, which is so true. It's very well presented, pink tissue paper. We always get sort of like glittery stars and things. It's really nice. And a handwritten note, which, oh, poking myself in the face with it, which I absolutely love. And this month it says, "Hi Amy, sunshine and sheet masks. What more could you want?" Absolutely. It says happy August. So yeah, I do love these little notes. They're very personalised, which is cool. So let's dive in and see what masks we got this month. Sorry, it's a bit noisy. Kind of got silver stars everywhere. Oh, they are like flicking everywhere. Whenever I unbox this, I always find the silver masks. Silver stars on the floor, and I always end up covered in them. Right, let's just count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool, we've got 7. So let's dive in and see what we've got. I do recommend you downloading, I know what it is on the iPhone. If you go into the App Store, you can get a translating app and you scan the back of the masks, because there isn't often a lot of English on the back of them. And I find that that kind of helps, because it will tell you, you know, the lists of ingredients, just in case you have allergies and things. So I do recommend that. Now, the first mask out of them is from the brand, I think it's the Power Banger, or is it Elisa Vecca? I think, I'm so sorry if I pronounce that wrong. It's the Power Banger mask, and it's the Milky Piggy Cyborg. And what one is this? I think this one's lemon. It looks like lemon. It says, oh, Tea Tree Deep Power Banger. Look at this. This looks really cool. I've had a mask from this brand before. It was quite a while ago, so I can't really remember what I kind of thought about it. But what I will do is I will link my Face Mask Club playlist in the cards above, so you can kind of just go back and see what we've got. They are some really nice masks. And as per usual, I always, before I pop on a sheet mask, I give my skin a really good cleanse. Sometimes I exfoliate, I pop on my toner, and then on goes my mask. So yeah, we've got some faces on the back of this one, and it just, you know, tells you how to apply it and how long for, which is cool. This one's 15 to 20 minutes, so we like that one. The next mask is from the brand Nature Republic, and it says Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera, 92% Soothing Gel Honey Mask Sheet. Oh, this looks lovely. Look at that. I bet that is really soothing as well. And there is a ton of serum in here, because I can see it in the packaging where it's see-through. Yeah, I like that. There's not a lot of English on the back of this one, but as you can see, you've got your faces, which is cool. Or just use the app like I do. So yeah, I'm really interested in that one. If you wanted to see any of these masks in a Mask Monday, drop me a comment down below and we'll do them together. They are really nice. This one, oh, this is a new brand to me. It's from Jaunt Blanc, and it's the Lemon Essential Sheet Mask, and it says it strengthens the skin's barrier and has calming and improving wrinkles. So sometimes the translation from Korean to English isn't always great, so you kind of have to fill in the blanks. And it says intensive nutrition, wrinkle improvement, keratin care. And that's what that one looks like. That's quite intriguing. I could do with a some of my wrinkles treating. And we've got the faces on the back, so it kind of tells you, you know, about them and how to use them. There is a lot of English in here. After cleansing and toner, to firm your skin, and then after every step, yeah, it tells you kind of what to do. And this one's 20 minutes, which is cool. The next one we have is from the brand, I can never pronounce this one, Gigot, I think, and it says the Angels in the Sky Cucumber Real and Pure Mask. And they've kind of stuck a sticker over the English bit there, so I can't read that, unfortunately. That's what that one looks like. I do like a cucumber mask. I've got a very good friend that absolutely hates cucumbers, so she's probably going to watch this and go, yeah. That's horrible. And this one you leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and you've got your faces along the back here. I do like that. Oh, this is a brand we're very familiar with. It's from the brand Farm Stay, and it's a collagen mask, and it's the Visible Difference Sheet Mask. It says it's containing water-soluble collagen. It controls sebum balance to manage keratin. It says as sheet adheres to the skin smoothly, serum is absorbed into the skin sufficiently to transform your skin's translucent, it said. I don't know if that's kind of been translated wrong. I think this mask is going to make me have translucent skin. I like that. I do like the Farm Stay masks. This packaging I find better than the other because they've got kind of 2 stars of packaging, and I find these masks are better. Oh, we got another cucumber mask, and this is from the brand Holika Holika. I absolutely love this brand. I've managed to get hold of my favourite mask from them, the mugwort masks, so I'm going to be doing that in a face mask club soon. And make sure you can keep watching my Mask Mondays because I've got a giveaway coming up. I'm just waiting for a 1 item to arrive, and then we will do a giveaway, so I'm going to sneak it into one of my Mask Mondays videos. So make sure you've got your notifications on and you've rung the bell, so then you'll be able to enter. And what does it say, this one? Pure Essence Mask Sheet Cucumber. I've not used the Holika Holika Cucumber one before. Like I said, the mugwort one is my favourite. The rice one is also absolutely fabulous. And what other one have I tried? I think I've tried one more. But yeah, not tried this one. And it's face mask cover. It's so nice to see Holika Holika in here. And I've got stars shooting everywhere. And the last one is from the brand 3W Clinic, and it is the Essential Up Pearl Sheet Mask, and it says it's moisturising. It says nourishing mask turns dull and dry complexion into that glows radiantly. Mask supplies a concentration of moisture to the skin, improving its hydration. That's cool. I do like that. My skin does quite often need a kick up the backside with hydration, just because I tend to dry out where I use sort of like my spot treatments around here, so it really does need something to help hydrate it. So here's the last one. Wow, here's all 7 together. I don't know what I'm looking forward to trying the most. I think it would be this one, the nice honey one, an aloe vera. Looks absolutely lovely. The packaging looks stunning. So let me know what you thought of this month's masks. I've got loads to work through. I do love a sheet mask. That's why I do a Mask Monday every week. You want to wait and see what's coming up next Monday. We've got a messy mask. Yeah, so, and come on, guys, I've not heard from quite a few of you from a little while, so drop me a comment down below and say hi. Because I love hearing from you and I love chatting to you. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.